Yeah, can you hear me, guys?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
How are you guys?
Yeah,
Fine,
fine.
fine.
Yeah,
are-
weather is not
I-
good. Weather is not good, so a little bit cold, cough. People are getting suffering from fever.
It is common for everyone, guy. It is common, that is the season is like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just a minute. So you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hi, Shiva sir, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Today is my first class. Actually, I missed because I just came to know that batch has started on 8th of December. So I just came to know today only.
Okay, have you registered?
Yes, already I have spoken with the office, and they said me to take the class today, and then I will, and then they will said then they said that they will get back to me tomorrow.
Okay. So there are recordings. Okay, they will share with you.
Oh, okay, sure.
From my side, I will share material and notes, everyday notes.
Okay, sure, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so I have plenty of material for you. Okay, I have gathered and I will share it with you soon.
Yeah, actually, they have shared one meeting ID and passcode, but while clicking on the join meeting link, they didn't ask me for a meeting ID and passcode. I redirected directly to this.
So yeah, this is a material. This is for you only. For all the paid students will get this material. Azure and Azure DevOps AJ 40104 Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there is a lot of material.
Okay. Thank you.
And every day I'm posting notes also, like starting from 8th December, I think 7th December.
How many classes are done, sir, till now?
Starting class was on 7th.
So, okay.
7th it was started. But nothing more completed, just these are only basics.
Okay. And Saturday and Sunday there was no class, right?
No, Saturday, Sunday there was no class.
So today is the 5th class.
Yes. So guys, what did we do yesterday? Just I will go through last class notes.
Linux basic commands you taught.
Linux basic commands, right?
Yeah.
13th, 14th. Where is that command? Okay. I don't have that list. Okay. So anyhow, so today we again focus on essential Linux commands. This is our first activity. And if time permits, okay, we see how to configure, okay, LAMP stack. Yesterday also I have told you, right? It is a collection of 4 softwares. How to do that and how to configure it, how to display home page and how to change home page of Apache 2. Okay, so that things we are going to discuss. Now for that, let me log in into my Azure portal. Okay, already I am in Azure portal. And here in the favorites, select a virtual machine. Azure virtual machine. So I hope everyone has created Azure account, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
New resource group. Okay, and I'm giving Azure RG. So at the end of the session, that means when you finish your activities, better you remove resource group, so that whatever resources are there in the resource group will also be deleted. So that you are free from charges. Virtual machine name is, okay, I am giving something like Azure VM. You can select any region. Okay, so since we are from India, I am selecting something like Central India. Where Central India? Central India. Are you seeing Central India somewhere
You can type also.
on the top?
Yes.
That is South Central US.
No, in that blank.
Yeah,
Just
here.
type, sir.
Good
Center.
type.
Yes, this is Central India. Just type there, Central.
No, go a little bit down. It will there.
Yes. No, Central. Spelling.
No, central, sir. N missing.
N missing there.
Yeah.
So zone you have selected, region you have selected as a Canada.
Yeah, here is Central India.
Okay, so let it be anywhere, no problem. Just my intention is we want to closer to our need. Where is that, man?
Yeah, here.
Yeah, there is.
Little bit down. Go
Yes,
down.
you select Asia Pacific. Asia. This is
Just
Canada.
types are India there. So it's coming.
Yeah.
Upside.
Canada, Central, East, Central.
Yes, Central area, Central India. Yes.
Yeah, man. Right. Yeah, you are
Yes,
right.
yes,
Central
yes.
India, right. So then I'm selecting like yesterday, I'm selecting Ubuntu. Okay, so as I told in the last class, there is no much difference between Red Hat and other things. So today I want to install LAMP stack. That is why I'm taking Ubuntu server only. Ubuntu Windows server I did not take so far. I will take Windows servers also. I don't take Windows desktop. I will take Windows servers. Okay, so yesterday we selected a password based authentication. So today also I'm going to select SH admin. Some password. Right. Now go to disks. So remember, this part is most important. If you are in, even though if you are in free trial, okay, select HDD only, because these SSD are very costly. Unnecessary, your free money is wasted. That is why don't select SSD, because we are not doing any database intensive operations. So when you are doing this database intensive operations, go for SSD. Okay. Are you seeing this much you have to pay? 0.8069 INR per hour. Create. And see, when you create a virtual machine, automatically some resources are allocated. So what are the resources that are allocated? IP address is allocated, network security group is allocated, one hard disk is allocated. Okay, these are the outcomes. Every time you create a virtual machine, okay, these many components are automatically attached to your virtual machine. Okay, this is the public IP address. by which we can connect to your system also. Okay. Now go to git bash. So what is the username I have given, guys? Azure user, right? @ paste it over here. Is it Azure user? Right. What is that? Is it Azure user? Let me cross verify. SSH. Username is SH admin, not Azure user. Okay. Now we are inside the virtual machine. First, let me show how to install LAMP stack, because anyhow we are going to discuss this Linux essentials later. So here, for installing LAMP stack, okay, so there is a documentation given by Digital Ocean people. Okay, that is a best documentation. Okay, where we have to refer, I will show the link also. Just type like this: LAMP install and Ubuntu. So always refer this Digital Ocean documentation. Okay, so these people will give best documentation. It is very self-explanatory. Even you don't know anything about many things. Okay, so you can go through it and you can install everything. For LAMP installation, okay, refer here. See, application is not a major criterion for me. Okay, just my intention is how to install software. That is my main intention. Okay, so here are you seeing a LAMP is nothing but it is a collection of 4 softwares: Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP. Okay, so here these are the instructions for Ubuntu 20.04. Okay, first he is telling that execute a command called sudo apt update. In case of Red Hat, just you are going to say sudo m update. Only that is the difference. Here it is sudo update, apt update. There we have to execute sudo m update. And advantage of Ubuntu is when you install a server, that is automatically started. But in case of RHEL and CentOS, you have to explicitly start the service. Okay, so I will write the commands here: sudo apt update, sudo apt install -y Apache 2. Why -y? Auto approval. So if you don't include -y, okay, every time it is going to ask whether you want to install this one. For this, it requires this much storage, whether you want to continue, yes or no. Okay, that is unnecessary complication. So to avoid that kind of complication, you have to add -y, auto approval. It does not ask anything again. No. Directly it will install. Now, my Apache 2 is installed, right? How to check whether it is Apache 2 server is installed or not? So in Linux, there is a command sudo systemctl, okay, status Apache 2. Are you seeing it is active and running? In case of Red Hat, okay, the server is not started automatically. You have to do one more extra step. Okay, sudo system ctl status Apache 2. Okay, in Ubuntu, okay, a service is started automatically. In RHEL family of servers, RHEL family of servers means under RHEL category. So we have something like CentOS, OEL, Fedora. Okay, yeah, these are the servers flavors comes under RHEL category. In RHEL family of servers, okay, so we have to start server explicitly. So what are the commands that we have to execute in case of RHEL? Just like this: sudo yum update, sudo yum install -y. There it is HTTPD. It is not Apache 2. There it is HTTPD. And sudo, okay, system ctl status HTTPD. Now it will show that server is not running. Server will not run here. One extra step you have to do in case of RHEL, that is sudo system ctl, okay, start HTTP. This step extra you have to do. And one more thing. So this is for current. This is for current. So current version only. That means when you shut down the server and when you start it again, okay. So if you want to start along with the operating system, so you have to execute one more command in RHEL, sudo system ctl enable HTTPD. Yeah, these two commands are extra in RHEL. These also extra in RHEL, but in case of Ubuntu, these are not required. Server restarting is not required along with your OS. Okay, so you are able to access the server. And one more thing, so we have installed server Apache 2, and we have to install other modules, and it is asking that once you install Apache 2, you have to check whether it is running or not. Okay, so how can we check whether it is running or not? Go to overview page and take public IP address. Okay. Now it is going to say that, okay, the server cannot be reached. Can you tell me the reason why it will say that the server cannot be reached?
Port is not mentioned.
Port is not mentioned. You are right. How to open the port? To open the port, go to networking, add inbound port. Since Apache 2 runs on 80 port number, just say 80. That's all. Click on add. Now just refresh this. Are you seeing Apache 2 page? From your system also you can check. Copy it. So in the chart window, I am giving public IP address of the server. Just check it from your system also. And tell me, confirm it whether it is working or not.
Yeah, it is working.
Working, right? Now we have to install one more software. This is something like MySQL is not required. We have to install PHP. Okay. So to install PHP modules, so we have to run this command. So I am giving the entire list in the notes. Okay. -y. So here I am not focusing on application. Just I am showing how to install softwares in Ubuntu.
What is PHP? Is a library or what?
PHP is a language,
Oh, language.
front end.
Okay.
Not front end, it is just like middleware. Do you know servlets and JSP in Java? It is just like ASP. ASP.
Oh, yes. ASP, I know. Yeah.
Yeah, it is just like middleware software. Okay, now after that, he is asking to check PHP version. PHP. Guys, as a DevOps engineer, you have to know all these steps perfectly. Without that, you cannot enter into campus. Because once you get the job, okay, so you people have to do all these things. You have to know what is the IP address and what is the default location of server. Okay, so because we are going to deal with servers. Now, one more thing also you have to do here. What is that you have to do? I will show. Okay, so he's asking to open this file. In this file, we have to add this content. Which content? This content. Now see, I'm opening this file. Nano, see the location here. Actually, this location is HTML, not your domain. In the place of your domain, we have to modify it as HTML. Okay, so in this location, he is asking to add this line. Now simply this is going to display PHP home page. Paste it over here. Okay, so save it and come out. Control X. Why? Sorry, I did not open that with something sudo keyword. So we are not able to, because that belongs to root. Okay, we have to use sudo keyword. Now say Control X. Why? Press enter. Now just try to execute. What is the file name actually? And always remember, we have installed Apache 2. For Apache 2, this is the default location where www HTML. This is the default location. Now try to access this page, see what happens. Now go to overview again. And now this is the public IP address. So here I will open another browser. Okay, so say info.php. Are you seeing something? This is the PHP home page. Okay, so what are the servers running? What is the MySQL? Everything it is going to show. Now, can you try this from your system? At the end, just add what? Info.php. At the end of the URL. You try it from your system. Here, one important thing I have to convey here for Apache 2.
Yes, sir.
Is it working?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So here for Apache 2, this is the location. This is the location. See. Now, what I will do, I will create a file here. Okay, you know how to create a new file, right? Cat. Otherwise, I will open Nano. Nano. welcome.html. I will create a new file here. Okay, here I am going to add some content. My bad luck, my greater than symbol is not working here. I have to copy paste. Okay, here welcome to, okay, write like this, HTML, okay. Here I am giving something like body BG color equal to yellow. Okay, close this tag and close body also. Okay, and here what I am going to welcome to guys, where I have to copy this file. I am creating one file. File name is welcome.html. What is the default location I told just now?
Where www/html.
Right. Slash body. Create it. Selected wrong thing.
So HTML tag should be closed, no?
Yes, both should be closed. I will close it. Slash HTML. Close it. Okay, so body BG color equal to yellow. H1 means some bold letters are displayed. Closing of body, closing of HTML. That's okay. So save, quit, and come out. Now you have to copy this file to this location. Which location? So since you don't have permissions, you have to use sudo slash where slash www slash html and welcome dot html. Where welcome dot html is there? In the current folder, right? Dot slash welcome dot html. It is done. Now just go into that location whether that file is available or not. cd slash where slash www welcome, sorry, html, right? html, say ls. Are you seeing welcome.html? Two files are there, but I will paste this one, welcome.html. Okay. Now are you seeing yellow color with some bold letters? So the thing I have to explain here. So whatever things you are doing, okay, in HTML file, okay, that becomes default folder. So for Apache 2, the default folder is where www.html. So since I copied this file from my local machine to this folder, Okay, when you request for this page, okay, this page only displayed. Okay, welcome info.php will not be displayed. Okay. Now,
So you requested for welcome.html in URL, right?
welcome dot.
HTML.
I copied that file into where www HTML folder.
Okay.
Okay, so when you copy that file into that location, okay, so without giving any path directly, you are able to access that one. Now this is about your installation. Suppose I want to do some uninstallation. Okay, so then you have sudo apt purge. Okay, so you can execute a command called apache 2 -y. Now let us see what happens. Sudo apt purge -y apache 2. Yeah, till this point, everything is clear. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, what we will do? So, shall I show how to launch RHEL? For this also a documentation is there. LAMP install on CentOS 7. Okay, I will give you as exercise to you. Okay, try it out. If it is not possible, definitely I will tell. Okay, a clear documentation is there here. Go, you see here is asking to execute sudo yum install httpd. Before that, okay, are you seeing start httpd? It is not started automatically. This is all not required. Okay, the page will be displayed like this. And you have to enable service also. httpd.service. Okay, so installation of MariaDB is not required. Okay, just you need to install only this one. PHP module sudo yum install PHP MySQL. Exactly, you have to, but only the difference is there we have used apt, here we have to use yum.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
When we are installing Apache 2, it's listening 80 port number, correct?
Yes.
If I installing SQL server or MySQL database, which port means
3306. MySQL will listen on 3306.
3306 is a
yes.
Port for this.
Yes, yes. Okay, so the MySQL will run on 3306 port number, whereas Oracle will run on 1521 port number. And your MySQL server, SQL server will run on I think 1443.
Okay. So specific documents you have shared, sir, for our interview prospect or your for opening such
port numbers.
Yeah, port number particular.
Yeah, you can Google for it.
Okay.
So this port number are fixed or we can change as well?
Yeah. You can have port numbers.
Okay.
Okay, I will show. Don't worry. Port numbers list. Simply you can ask like this: 25 SMTP, 53 domain naming server, 80 HTTP. Okay, 110. Okay, so are you seeing some ports here? 14 common network ports you should know.
Common port.
0 to 65,000. Yes, sir.
Yes, the
Common port.
starting range, ending range is 0 to
0
65,000,
to
535, but
65,000.
some ports are reserved. Okay, some ports we cannot use.
Yes, sir. So some ports are reserved and some port reserved, sir. So commonly used is 0 to 65,000.
0 to 65,000, 535, these are the port numbers range. But out of that range, some ports are reserved. We cannot use those ports.
Yeah.
Right.
Shall I give this link to you?
Yes.
In documents, you have to paste this.
List, refer here. And what is the exercise I am giving to you? Exercise is launch. Do it. If it is not possible, definitely I will tell. Launch RHEL.
Send servers.
VM, install. Yes.
LAMP stack.
Where the link has gone. I am opening this. It is not correctly right. Install LAMP on CentOS. CentOS, RHEL, these are all similar.
Digital also.
They are given complete steps. Just your duty is just to copy paste. That's all. And here a few more commands we have to discuss today. A few more Linux commands. So what are the Linux commands? In the last class I have shown in how many ways we can create a new file. Okay, once a new file is created, okay, so we can do some activities like removal, copying a file, moving a file from one location to other location, how to remove directories. Okay, so these are the things. Do you need all these things, or shall I skip these topics? If you want me to tell, okay, that is nothing for me. I can explain each and everything. Okay, so if you know something, if you know how to copy the files, how to move the files, how to create directories, subdirectories, renaming directories, that you want to show it to me, I will show everything. No, it is no problem.
Please show it, sir.
Okay.
Look for touch.
Sir, one question, Shiva.
Yes.
From the backend, like how we can find either it is a CentOS or RHEL or through command, like anything like from the Unix box.
I didn't get your question.
Yeah, actually from the backend, like from the shell, like how can they find either it is CentOS or RHEL or whatever it is? Any command is there for that?
Yeah, definitely the command is there. Okay, I will tell that command. Okay, I will come by one by one. Okay.
Sure.
Now, there is a simple command. I will show that command. Don't worry. Okay, I will show that command. Now, so yesterday we have created, okay, a file in many ways. like by using touch, by using cat, by using vi, by using nano, and by using echo. So once suppose a file is created, so I am going to create a new file here, and cd tilde symbol, it is going to take us to home directory of the current user. Now let me create a new file. There is a problem with this means symbol. Many times I complained, then there is no use. Okay, courses information. I will take some courses information. Okay, so like DevOps is about automation. Azure DevOps supports-
Exactly yesterday, this one, right? After that, you will hit course information and it will.
No, I deleted that VM
Okay.
because I am deleting. You also delete it because we are not going to keep any important data, right? Okay, that is why create the machine every time.
Okay.
General purpose language. Okay, enough. Say Control E. Now just I want to sort this information. So whatever data is there, okay, I want to sort the information. So to sort the information in a file, okay, so we have a command. Generally sorting is required when you want to search for a particular item. Okay, when the data is not in sorted header, okay, searching becomes difficult. So when you able to sort that file, and when the data is in a sorted order, okay, searching becomes very easy.
In the morning, and we all woke up and we had no idea what to do, and he was gone by the time we woke up, and I literally saw him take his last breath in front of me, and I tried to pump his chest and all that, nothing worked. And then there were a few doctors around in that area that we lived in. We went to their place. No one opened the door because it was 3 in the morning. We couldn't get any.
Ascending or descending order. Now, sort command takes file names or input from keyboard also. Okay, you can give input file and output file. For example, sort. Okay, input file is courses information. Output file name is something like temp. Now, whatever data is there in courses information, that will be sorted and that will be stored into courses information. That will be stored into a new file called temp. Temp is created automatically. Now, just look at the contents of temp. Are you seeing the data is in sorted order? Now, if you don't type anything, okay, just press enter. That means I am not giving any input and output file names. So it is going to take
line by line, right?
Yes.
Sorting line by line means first line, first character.
Yeah. So it has started in ascending order, right? Azure DevOps supports build and release pipelines. DevOps is about automation. Python is a general purpose language, right? Is it not in sorted order?
Yes, it's there.
Okay, so I'm giving some lines from keyboard. This time I'm not giving any input from keyboard. DevOps, Python, okay, and Azure DevOps. Just press enter, see what happens here. The sorted output is displayed on the monitor. That means by default, every command in Linux operating system takes input from keyboard and displays output on the monitor. Okay. Now using this less than greater than symbol, we can change the default input and default output. Okay. So here clearly we are telling that sort less than courses information. That means to take information from this file, courses information file, and after sorting the data, okay, store the sorted data into temp file. Okay, using these two symbols, less than symbol, we are changing default input, greater than symbol, changing default output. Now, sort, press enter. Okay, so it takes input from keyboard and displays output on the monitor. Now we have one interesting command, grep command. Suppose a file contains, yes.
After entering the data, suppose hello Python, okay, Java, C, if I've typed, after that, what I need to press, like which button?
Control D.
Control D.
Yes. Okay, to end the input, press Control D. When you press Control D, okay, sorted data will be displayed on the monitor. Okay. So
Yeah.
grep command, okay, is for searching text patterns. So grep can be used in many ways. Grep, search pattern, and file name. Now just look at this grep command, what it does. So to the grep command, what I am doing, I am giving a line called Azure. Okay. And what is the input file? Input file is courses information. Are you seeing it has displayed a line contains Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps supports build and release pipelines. Okay. Suppose I say something like this, grep-n. What is the difference here? What is 2? 2 is a line number. 2 is a line number where, okay, Azure DevOps line is presented. And if I say something like -nv, okay, now look at the output. It has displayed all the lines which do not contain, okay, Azure. Okay, in first line and third line, there are no, okay, so there is no word called Azure. For example, Azure courses information. grep-n, okay, it displays line numbers. Displays line numbers where Azure is presented. grep-n v, Azure courses information. Okay, so it displays all lines along with line numbers where Azure is not found. Now I will execute this command. Just to have a look. Sort. Okay, I will use this one. Grep. Okay, before that I am going to add a few more lines to this nano course information. Okay, so AWS is the first cloud. Okay, so Oracle is a DB server. I need some text. Okay, so Azure is the best cloud. Control X, Y, press enter. Now look at this sort. Okay, grep Azure. I am giving pipe symbol. Sort. Here the file name is courses information. What it does, guys? Now, can you tell me what is the difference between these two? So now, the purpose of this symbol is connecting two commands. I will explain this. Just a moment. Now, grep Azure courses information is one command. Sort is another command. For sort, we are not giving any input. But from where input is coming? The output given by sort command. Sorry, the output given by grep command. Okay, so will be taken as input for sort command. The purpose of sort command is to sort the data. Okay, so when I execute this command, grep Azure courses information sort, what happens here? It has sorted this data. Azure DevOps is something like this. Okay, and when I say sort -r, what happens? It has displayed in reverse order. Reverse order means reverse alphabetical order. Okay, so generally D comes first, right? In A to Z order. Later I will come. But when I want to sort in reverse order, okay, I has come first. I and D. Anyhow, this is same for these two lines. Okay, so it has left these two lines, these two words, and it has considered second word. So when it comes to second word, okay, so in reverse order, so is as displayed first, DevOps as displayed later. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Here, so I used white piping. It is a process of giving output of one command, okay, as input for other command. Now, without piping, how it can be done? Without piping, can it be done? Then what is the advantage of piping? Without piping, it can be done like this. First, we have to store the output that is given by courses information into some file. Okay, so the file name is, again, same story. There is no. Now see.
While typing greater than, keyboard is not working, or
Yeah, keyboard is not working. Greater than symbol is not working. Temp. Now, what I have to do? I have to take input of input from temp file. Okay, so input from temp file, I have to redirect to this file, temp1. Or otherwise, this is something like temp1, and this is temp. What happened here? Since I am not using piping, okay, the number of steps are increased here. First of all, I have to check for a word called Azure from courses information that I have to redirect to this temp file. And sort command, okay, so we'll take input from temp file, and after sorting purpose, after sorting process, it is going to redirect output in the temp1 file. This is the story.
Can you come again?
See, the purpose of grep command is to search for a particular pattern. And here I am giving a word called Azure. Okay, so in courses information file, it will search for Azure text pattern. Okay, so all such lines will be stored into temp file.
Okay, all these items with Azure. Okay,
Yeah.
in a temp file.
Yeah. So next, in the next step, what I am doing here, sort
Sorting.
input file is temp. Okay, so the output file is temp1.
Okay.
So rather than giving two steps, if you can do in one step, it is better, right?
Which one sentence is this big first line pipe command, right?
Yes. First, it will execute this command. Next, it will execute this second command.
Okay.
Now, one more example I can give. ls-al grep bash and sort. What it does? Let me show this. ls-al, okay, pipe symbol, grep bash, again pipe symbol, okay, sort. What it has done, guys? ls-al means, okay, long listing of files. From the long listing of files, bash will be taken. Okay, the lines containing bash will be sorted in ascending order. Okay, this is a ascending order output. Now, if I say something like sort-r, is it in reverse order or not? Bash RC has come first. Next, bash logout has come next. That means totally we are connecting 3 commands here. Totally we are connecting 3 commands. So if piping is not there, how it can be done? Without piping, how it can be done? First, I have to store ls-al into some file. Okay. So what is that file? My badness. Now, what is that file? Just to take some file. That is some temp4. And second step, grep bash. Okay, grep bash. From which file I have to take input temp4. In third step, what I have to do? Sort less than temp4. And we have to store the output into some file called temp5. That means if piping is not there, okay, the number of steps are increased here. Here, what happens here? The output given by ls-al will be given for input for grep command. Grep command is going to search for bash. Okay, so that output is given to sort command. So sort command is going to sort this data in reverse order. Here either you can give -r. -r means it will give in reverse order, reverse alphabetical order. Guys, is it clear so far? Any questions? So if no questions are there, I will stop it for today. Tomorrow we connect again with same link. Tomorrow the link is changing.
Okay.
Sir. Hello.
Yes.
So today is the last class for Unix, or tomorrow it will resume also?
Yeah. The last class for Unix. Tomorrow I will show how to deploy on Windows 2022 server. Okay, how to deploy one .NET application and how to configure IA server. Okay, that we are going to take.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a question. If our VM having running 4 or 3 services there, so which port these are running? How we can find out which port, which service is running? There is any command for searching the port which services?
You are asking me that which port is occupied and which port is free, right?
Yeah, that's also. And which port currently we are running which services? How we can know that?
So you want to me asking that how to know port numbers of every service, right?
Yes. How to find out that?
That means the services that are running in VM are generally you want to know
VM, sir.
VM.
Yeah.
Okay. So that will be part of an Linux command. While taking networking commands, I will do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shiva, could you please upload the video soon? Because if I need to see the video, suppose if I'm doing some practicing at night, so I can see the videos, because it takes 1 day to upload it.
Actually, what is happening for the video processing, it is taking 1 to 1.5 hour time. Okay, approximately it is 9:12, right? Okay, by 10:30 it is available. By 10:30 no one is available, right, in the office.
Okay.
So because of that reason, they are uploading tomorrow.
Okay. And once the Kubernetes Docker will be start, in that case, it will be uploaded within 2 hours, right?
Yeah. Okay, I will update you, because if I not start in morning batch, definitely I will take Docker and Kubernetes within this batch only. There is no separate batch again.
So what will the timing of Docker?
From other students are asking that why don't you take Docker and Kubernetes within this batch only? Okay, they are requesting.
Okay, sir. So you haven't started the Docker batch yet, sir?
No. I did not start it. I had to start.
But
Okay, sir.
timing will
Okay.
be morning only, no? Timing will be the morning only, right?
Timing morning. Okay, morning or evening, I will intimate you. Definitely, I will intimate you, because I am seeing whether to start in this batch or a separate batch. I am thinking.
Okay.
So if the Docker is started in the evening, so what will be the timing?
Yeah, same timing. This time only. One by one.
It means alternate
After completion of Azure admin, we will take Docker sessions.
It means 9 to 10.
No. 8 to 9 only.
And alternate days, no?
No alternate days. Daily. Once we finish Azure admin in 8 to 9 batch, okay, then we start 8 to 9. Okay. If I want to start in this batch only. Otherwise, I can select Docker and Kubernetes timings is not decided. I will intimate you soon. Definitely. Okay. Either I can start in morning hours or this batch. I am thinking. Okay. I will come to one final conclusion.
Okay.
Sir, hi Shiva sir, Atul here.
Yes.
So yeah, there are 2 concerns, sir. So first is, can we create a one group so that we can put any query or any update regarding?
I will create. So otherwise, I will give my number. Okay. So from you, okay, one become admin. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I will definitely give my number.
Hello. Yes, sir. Because I also working as a support DevOps, but in our existing project, we have changes the database. So we need to how to connect actually this SQL server database with web app service server. So that's task is pending from my sides.
Come again.
In our organization having some existing project backend.NET and front for Angular, and just recently we have updated the database. It is working pointed to database MySQL in web app service. Currently this MySQL is updated with SQL server. Yes, so can you see how we can hello?
Yes.
Okay, so can you suggest me how we can implement that? Just we are changing the database connectivity. Everything is same. Just we need to change the SQL database connectivity with back.
Yes. Okay. From your data, from your .NET application or AngularJS?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
From your .NET?
Yeah, backend.NET and front Angular. So we have update just database connectivity.
Now you tell me first, what is your language? Are you working in .NET or AngularJS?
It's a .NET.
.NET. Okay, for .NET a connecting string is there, right?
Yeah, I have this copy pasted our SQL server connecting string and is setting, but it's not actually any implementation or any customization.
No, there is no implementation. Okay, in app services, at the time of app services, I will show you one string. Okay, and that string, okay, you have to give from your .NET application. Okay, if you want, tomorrow I will provide that connecting string. Okay, from your .NET application.
Yeah, sure, sir. Because it's very helpful for me. Okay.
I will search it and I will give it to you.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Hi, sure, sir. Myself Neela. I have one doubt. The doubt is like Azure 900, 104, and 400. What actually the difference between these things?
104 is Azure Admin. 400 is Azure DevOps.
Azure had 900.
Azure 900 is different. That is not covered here. What is Azure AZ 900? Is it data engineering? I think data engineering.
Okay.
So that is different stream.
Yeah, Azure 900 is the preliminary exam for the qualifying before 104.
No, it's a fundamental course.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, Azure 900 is the fundamental.
To attend the exam 104. Otherwise, you cannot go directly 104.
Okay, first we need to complete that Azure 900, then we need to go for Azure 104, right?
Yeah, Azure 900, DP 900, AI 900, these are the fundamentals. We need to complete first.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Tomorrow we'll meet again. Okay. Thank you. So tomorrow the link is changed. Don't miss these important classes. So try to register itself because it is very beautiful opportunity. Okay. After this batch, once again I'm telling. Okay, we are not going to conduct these batches for this least fees. That from my side I wanted to convey. After that, that is your will and wish.
Sir, how we will be informed about the new link?
How will be?
I mean, how we will know about the new link?
So you will get email, right?
Yeah, when you pay, okay. Have you registered?
Yes. I have already registered and I paid the amount also.
Yeah, definitely you will get new link to your mail.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, one thing I have remembered.
Notepad command also.
Which command?
Notepad was whatever you have typed, right? So Notepad also.
Yes, everything is shared by the sir. Don't worry.
Yeah, these notes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will share it with you. Don't worry.
Sir, have you checked with the DURGASOFT team? It's give the access 1 year for this video.
Yeah, they will give one year access. I told
Okay,
them.
thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
The guys, still any doubts?
No, sir. Till now, fine.
Thank you.
That Kubernetes and Docker, right? Actually, as you mentioned that it will be started from the morning, but it is not started, right? Exactly.
Yeah, it is not
So-
started. It is not. It will start. When I start, definitely I will intimate you. Okay. But only registered students, students
correct.
will be allowed to that session.
Yeah.
You mentioned that you won't. I missed the part where you said you won't start. This is the last batch or something, sir?
No, I
Can
did
you-
not start so far. Actually, last week we have got few holidays in USA. That is why few sessions are cancelled in last week. That is why
Okay,
it is
sir.
delaying.
Okay, no problem.
Chief, if you never mind, can I know where you are you working somewhere now? Are you working somewhere currently?
No, I work for all USA projects, USA clients.
US client direct. Okay. This lockdown process only started this trend, yeah. Because why they will go through like I works in SQL, why they access us through SQL. It is better to access direct, right?
Yes.
Those who are competent, condition apply. Those who are competent and standard now. Yeah.
Okay.
So, what other classes do you conduct, sir? Do you take care of Azure? Do you have any other classes that you take, sir?
No, here Azure DevOps, Azure Admin, DevOps, open source DevOps.
Okay, sir. Maybe if we send a list of other classes you're going to take in the future, we can also join, sir.
Okay.
Can you
Thank you,
get
sir.
job assistance?
Now, have you registered this course, Krishna Venkata?
I did. I already paid the money. I just need to check with them. They have. I need to get the link, sir. I don't think so. They gave the link. I'm going to check with them today, so I don't miss the classes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
We can
Thank
drop
you,
by,
guys.
sir. I need to go for other class, sir.
Now?
Yeah. No, I need to go for other class. We are finished with the session, right, sir?
Yeah. We are finished.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys.
Shiva sir, just a second. I need to talk to you in person after everyone will leave. Manav this side.
Yes.
I want to talk to you in person.
Yeah, thank you, sir. We will meet you tomorrow. Yeah, thanks for the session.
Soumya, Vishal, and Khaja, can you please drop if you're done? I would like to talk to you, sir, in person.
Okay, we'll drop.
Khaja is there actually. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Sir, actually, as you said in the start of the class that today is the, I think, 4th or 5th class. So I understand little bit in today's class because I have joined late.
Okay.
And sir, actually, I'm a working professional. Regarding the Kubernetes classes which you said you will be taking in the morning, so it will not be possible for me to be in the morning time because I'm working actually, working professional. So I'll be available in evening. That's why I chose this session.
So that is why I'm thinking whether to take in morning hours within this session only. Just I'm thinking.
Yeah, morning, sir, because I'm available after 4 o'clock actually, and this batch is only for new fresh college graduates, or it is a mix of college people and working professionals and everyone.
Everyone is coming here.
Okay. Okay, sir. So actually, sir, I am actually working I'm not working on a technical side. So my job role is currently based on a foreign language. I'm a foreign language expert working for a leading search engine client. So I didn't actually, because in BTech I learned like I did BTech also in non-computers. So do I have to learn apart from this also some SQL or some other thing?
No, it is not required because we are DevOps engineers, right? No need of learning SQL.
Some people were speaking about Python and SQL.
No, that is not required. So once you get the job to go to promotion level, Python is required. But initially Python is not required.
Initially Python is not required.
Not required. Okay, code is given by your Python developers. We have to know how to create pipelines for that. But we are not going to write any code.
Okay. Okay, sir. What is the next course of action for me? Because today only I got. Actually, I'm late because I was about to join last week only, but don't know for what reason I didn't.
Have you registered? Have you completed your fees formalities?
Today only I spoke with the lady in the office, and immediately after speaking, she shared me that link, and I joined the link, and then she said that you joined the session today, and because today is my first session, then she said that we'll connect with you tomorrow.
Yeah. So actually nothing is completed. Just basics are going on.
Okay.
Actual Azure admin I did not start. Okay. Just I have shown how to create a virtual machine. That's all.
Okay. The previous videos, sir, will I get the previous videos because
yeah, definitely. Once you complete all the formalities, you will get previous videos also.
Okay.
Previous videos and no material notes, everything you will get.
Okay. Don't know why she said about 8th December the batch was started, but as you said, the batch was started on 7th only. So I'm like 4 days behind.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. So same time, 8 o'clock tomorrow, right?
Yeah, 8 o'clock.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your. I'll speak to them and then I will join the class.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.